Hi, my name is Alex Carlucci, and with Gustan Cho Associates, and I'm going to talk to you about why you guys find us and how come we can do loans and other banks can't. So, for example, a lot of banks will do FHA and they will stop at 50% debt to income ratio because that's an overlay. Overlays are the biggest reasons why other banks can't do the things that we can. We'll go to 56.9. If you read the FHA guidelines, they go to 56.9. We honor FHA guidelines. Other banks do not. Other banks will hit you for a charge-off and say that this counts against you. We do not. If you look at the FHA guidelines, it says charge-offs don't count against borrowers. Timeshare foreclosures. Most banks will say that's a foreclosure. It's actually an installment loan, and we will do someone who has timeshare foreclosure as long as we get an approved eligible. We also do manufactured homes when a lot of banks won't do it, and if banks that will do it, they'll stop at 620, we'll go down to 580. Our bread and butter is probably give you the manual underwrites. If you're in a Chapter 13 VA or FHA, I can get you into a mortgage on a manual underwrite. If you're not in a Chapter 13 and you get what's called a refer eligible on the automated system, then we would be able to do a manual underwrite, and we do manual underwrites really well here, and that's our bread and butter. Other things that we do are non-QM loans. These are very popular. These are for people who have low credit scores, mortgage rates, can't show their income but can show money in their bank statements, have assets but can't show income, but they want to buy an investment property but don't have bank statements to show the income either. They can do what's called an income cash flow on a property, so it's really a state income. You put 25% down and you buy a house with no income verification as long as it's investment. So we do bank statement programs, non-QM, low credit scores, mortgage rates, investment cash flow on the non-QM side. We do jumbo loans on the non-QMs with people with lower credit scores, higher DTIs than jumbo goes on a regular jumbo program. So we do things that other banks don't do, and we have everything in the gambit. We'll do USDAs. USDA loans is something we do that other investors don't do. So that's why we can close loans that you guys come to us with. You've been shut down somewhere else and we save the day, is because we have every product with no overlays. We have an investor for every outlet. So we have investors that will do, you're gonna have you have someone that's paying your bills for you. As long as someone else is paying your bills for 12 months, we don't have to count that against your debt. And other investors are going to require that you be on the person who's paying it has to be a co-signer on the note to even qualify. No, if your mom's paying your bills for you for 12 months, you don't count them against you. We have all sorts of products. We have the full gambit that covers everything. So if it's in the guidelines, we have a place for it. If it's not a regular loan like a non-QM, we have many non-QM investors, and they all have their own little niches. So that's why you guys come to us, and that's why we're different, and that's why we make a living. So we're here to save you. We're on your side. It's us against the world. So when you call us, we're on your team. Tell us everything we need to know, and we'll get you into a house. Please like this video, share it, and if you have any questions, leave them below. We'll get back to you. Thank you.